Yeah, we're up at the Valley View Nature Park today. As you can see, oh, this thing seems unresponsive. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on. So far, so good. The controls just seem a little unresponsive. Oh, here we go. A lot of exposure over here. I just got to be careful because we're flying right next to the cliff, right? Okay. The Valley View Nature Park, man. Can you see it? Wow. What do you think of that? Let's keep going. It's nice out here. I wanted to get up someplace cool early. Oh, look at my vest is split wide open. Why? Right, Jody? Why? Ooh, you're up there. Whee! God, this app is so unresponsive today. I don't know what's going on. I can't get any control on this app. Very strange. Must be a lot of interference. I don't know. Some doggies coming up. You want to see the doggies? Hi, dog. What do you think? What do you think, doggies? What do you think? Hey, what do you think of that thing? Huh? The doggies aren't so sure of that thing. Hi. Oh, careful there, Droney. Yeah, the app has been really unresponsive. I'm a little bit scared. I'll have to get it. I just don't want to lose it over the cliff because I won't be able to get the thing back, right? So I don't know how much time we got left on this. I still don't understand how to read this. There seems to be a countdown clock. 7:50. Oh yeah, it's counting down. That means I got 8 minutes left of flying? I don't know. Must be some interference around here. I don't know. Let's go behind, Joni. Get in behind me. Why won't you go behind me? There you go. There. Can you see that terrain? You're doing good, Dorothy. Wow. Look at that. That's Valley View, man. Okay, let's keep going. You're doing good, Droney. Watch out for those trees, the shrubbies. You're working. You're going up and down over those shrubs. That's cool. Should we try and go through here? I don't know. We could try. Let's try and go through here, Droney. You're doing really good. We got a lot of wind here. Be careful. This is a very exposed area. I don't want to go looking for Droney. What do you think? Should we keep trying? I'm afraid I'm going to lose you over there. You want to come in for a little bit, Droney? Here. I'm just so spooked flying it near these cliffs because if it goes over there, I don't want to climb down after it, right? So I got to be very careful what I'm doing here. Valley View Nature Park, man. Okay, we got to go this way, Droney. Don't hit these shrubs. Go this way. You're doing really good, brother. When I'm flying backwards like this, I don't have obstacle avoidance, so I'm sort of steering it with my face, right? Oh, see, it knew something was on the ground there. It went up over the shrub. Watch, it'll go up the slope too. This way, Sonny. Go careful there. There we go, this way. Yeah, that dust too. A little bit of dust, Droney. Doing really good. Which way should we go now? Should we go this way or that way? I want to go this way, but I'm sort of afraid to. I'm going to go higher. There. That makes it a bit easier for you. I don't know how much battery level I got left. Yeah, I feel better when you're over there, man. Don't lose me. You're making wind on the sagebrushes. We're going to probably bring you in pretty quick here, Droney. You're doing good, man. Gosh, you're doing good. Me and Droney out on a nature walk, man. Valley View Nature Park. This is a good place to go for a little walk, man. Can you see Valley View down there? Wow, it's beauty out here. Wow. I grew up in Valley View. It's a cool place. Let's go for this thing. You're doing so good, man. Okay, let's come on in here. Yeah, just follow me. Okay. Valley View Nature Park, my friends. Whoa. Some real serious exposure over there. But if we stay back a bit from the cliff, there's not too much wind. We just popped a new battery in. We burned one up already. It works quite well at avoiding most of these obstacles. It uses the bottom sensors. It doesn't know what it's doing backwards, but if it picks up anything from underneath, like right now these sagebrush are making it go up, right? Up, up, up it goes. Got quite a bit of wind here. But old Droney's doing fine. Aren't you, Droney? You're doing real fine. Look at that. Up and up, up he goes. And down he goes. When I was a kid, man, we used to play up in here. Some of the best times of my life were here in Valley View, I think. I had a pretty good childhood. I wish I could have been closer with my family, but the childhood itself was good, I thought, for the most part. That's got nothing to do with anything. Let's just keep walking here. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a steep cliff. We're right on the edge of a steep cliff. Can you see where I am? Oi, oi, oi. I'm glad I went out this direction today. It's super cold up my neck of the woods up in Dufferin. Down here in Valley View, we're, I don't know, 300 or 400 meters lower down. And it's much nicer. Much nicer. I don't think this is a place for me to manual mode it. So go out to the end here, see what this is about. Let's go see what's over here. You can hear the birdies. So I wonder, should we go down here? That looks kind of crazy, man. Or should we just go down this place? Oh, we could go down here. Let's see if we can. You're doing really good, Droney. Stay with me, brother. I think we can go down here. Let's go down here. Come on down. Now how am I going to get up to this trail? The sagebrush is in the way. Think we can go up this way, Droney? Let's try going up this. We're going to make it. Come on. Okay, let's go this way. We're doing it. This is fun in here. I like it in here. The hills are so up and downsy, sinkholesy. Let's go this way. Let's go for that tree there, Brony. Let's go this way. I'm really impressed with this little machine. Let's go this way. It's funny, I'm not talking much, am I? Looks like my son might be able to fit me into his schedule this next Friday. So that's kind of encouraging. I heard he went to Mexico with someone again. I don't know who. Seems to have lots of time for going to Mexico. I don't know if I'm going the way I want to go here. Well, what do you think, Droney? Should you want to come in for a landing? Huh? What do you think? Ah, come on in. Hi, Droney. How's it going? God damn it. What just happened here? Why does manual mode always screw up on me? I don't know what the drone's doing right now. Come on, Droney. Finally, you're back. Hey, brother. How you doing? Which way you want to go now? Huh? We're flying in manual mode right now with the phone. It doesn't allow you to go very fast with the phone, which is probably good. It's right above me. Hi, Droney. Hi, I remember you. Now what? Where do you want to go now? You not sure? Hello. Hello. Oh, you running out of battery? We'll put you down. Joni? We'll head down. Windy in here, eh, Joni? How you doing for battery, Droney? Ooh, it's muddy. It's muddy, Droney. I didn't want to take the really steep one. We've been on that steep one before. This is perfect. Hi, hello. Oh, you lady was singing. That's cool. That was cool. That was a good little walk today. You know what I'm craving today? I haven't had one of those Burger King vegan burgers in a long time, man. Maybe we could have one of those? I don't know. What do you think? Probably too early still. Probably too early still. Let's warm up a bit, Joni. Oh, I think that's enough, Joni. That was fun. Gosh, I'm happy I bought you. You're my best friend, Joni. You're my best friend, brother. This is where we started, pretty much. See here? Valley View Nature Park, there's all the rules. Beware of that. Okay? All the rules. And note this way. Watch for that sign here. Watch for here, Joni. And there we go. That will conclude for a little bit. Come on in, Droney.